Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to learn about Arabic alphabets. Al-Huruful Arabiya. Alif, Arnab, rabbit. Alif, Arnab, rabbit. Ba, Batta, duck. Ba, Batta, duck. Ta, Tufah. Ta, Tufah, apple. Sa, Salab. Sa, Salab, fox. Jim, Jabalun. Jim, Jabalun, mountain. Ha, Hisanun. Ha, Hisanun, horse. Ha, Harufun. Ha, Harufun, sheep. Dal, dolphin. Dal, dolphin, dolphin. Zal, ذهب. Zal, ذهب, gold. Ra, rimalun. Ra, rimalun, sand. Za, jahra. Ja, jahra, flower. Seen, sikkin. Seen, sikkinun, knife. Sheen, shamsun. Sheen, shamsun, sun. Swad, Sura. Swad, Sura, picture. Lord, Lawun. Lord, Lawu, light bulb. Twa, Twaira. Twa, Twaira, plane. Lord, Larfun. Lord, Larfun, post. Ein, Inabun. Ein, Inabun, grapes. Ghain, Ghazalun. Ghain, Ghazalun, deer. Fa, Farasha. Fa, Farasha, butterfly. Qaf, Kittun. Qaf, Kittun, monkey. Kaf, Kitab. Kaf, Kitabun, book. Lam, Laimunun. Lam, Laimunun, lemon. Mim, Miftah. Mim, Miftah, key. Noon, Narun. Noon, Narun, fire. Wow, Varda. Wow, Varda, rose. Ha, Haram. Ha, Haram, pyramid. Ya, Yedun. Ya, Yedun, hand. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuhu.